Welcome back to this channel. Today I'm bringing you a very powerful opportunity, a smart contract that is similar to a project that once existed during the COVID period called Coresage. So I'm bringing you Coresage. Coresage was built on top of Ethereum. Coresage is built on top of core blockchain. So first of all, to give you a background information, about this particular project. Now, Coresage, personally, I knew it in 2020. That's when this project existed, and it gave people a chance of earning Ethereum. There are so many people under a lot of Ethereum, and those who decided to hold probably are millionaires in dollars. There are people I know who bought cars. There are people I know who bought houses, courtesy of that particular project. Some of them did it for 1 year and they actually became financially free. So now we have a similar opportunity here. And if you are going to take this very seriously, within this year, 2026, by the end of the year, actually, you might finish your year very, very, very differently. So I want to show you what the opportunity is all about. You need to understand it. And then the opportunity is very early. We are very early. We are actually the pioneers of this particular project. So if you position yourself early, you understand it early, you do what is required early enough, I can assure you 100%. You are likely to become a millionaire in dollars from this particular project if you follow exactly what I'm going to be guiding in this video. So make sure you watch the video completely till the end so that you get started in the right way. So first of all, you're going to need a Web3 wallet that supports core blockchain to participate in this particular project. And one of those wallets is OKX wallet. So I'm going to be using OKX wallet for this case. Or you can use MetaMask. MetaMask is also supported. BitGet wallet is another one. So once you do that, there is a video I did guiding people on how to add core blockchain on MetaMask and OKX wallet. So make sure, of course, you have watched that video. And also fund your wallet with 60 core. That is the capital you will need to get started in this particular smart contract. So 60 core currently is about $8 because the value of core is 0.13 at the moment. So you're good with 60 core. So fund your wallet with 60 core on core blockchain and then follow this particular video. So the first thing you're going to do, just get to our Telegram channel. You could get the registration link, okay? So the registration link looks like this. So I'm going to be copying that link. So once you have copied this registration link, you're going now to go to your OKX wallet under core blockchain or MetaMask wallet under core blockchain. So once you have gone there, you're going to go to the explore section. And then on the search section up here, you are going to be pasting that link that you have copied. This is actually how to register. You run that link. So once you run that link, you're going to be connecting your wallet. First of all, you're going to be seeing the option of connect wallet at the top. So you connect wallet and select your wallet. And then next, you're going to be clicking this core down here that is asking you to switch network. So once you have done that, you're going to see register for 60 core. So you click on register for 60 core because you have already funded your wallet. It has 60 core. It is going to be deducting the 60 core. That is the entry fee for this particular smart contract. So because I've already done that, so let me just refresh my page. It's going to letting me into the dashboard. So I want to show you how this business works in simple terms, and then I'm going to be doing another video explaining you the levels, upgrading, the advantages, etc. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Yes, welcome to the dashboard. So first of all, this is a matrix. Many people actually have never done matrix systems. So I'm going to be trying to be as simple as possible. So we have something called X3 matrix. We also have something called X6 matrix, okay? So X3 simply means 3 people, okay? X3 means 3 people. So that is why you see this kind of arrangement. You can see this one. You can see this one. This is one person, another person, another person, okay? That is for level 1. We also have different levels here, level 1, level 2 going down. We also have X3 matrix. I'll be explaining the meaning of this X3 and X6 and different levels and what they mean and how they pay you. Okay, but the most important thing I want you to notice is your ID here is the number, your ID actually in the system. Currently we are a total of about 103 people. The project is very new, so I want you to imagine when the project gets to 1,000 people, 10,000 people, 100,000 people, where are you going to be? So you are also going to be seeing whatever you have earned here in terms of core. You are also going to see the ID of your upline. Then we have something called the fee reward pool. So what happens here is you can actually make money in two ways. So the first way you can make money here is by introducing others into the business. You're going to be earning, and you are also going to be making money through something we call the reward pool. Okay, so the reward pool, you can see the reward claiming here. So every 24 hours, everyone earns a certain amount of core that is added to the pool. So normally, with the networkers, when we bring people, we earn, and there is also some money we contribute that goes to the pool. So that money that goes to the pool is claimed by everyone within the ecosystem. So whether you have brought in people or not, you are going to be claiming a certain amount of core for as long as the project is there. Okay, so you can claim this for the next 10-20 years as long as this project exists, because this project, the first thing, it's decentralized, meaning the developers have no control over our funds. So you can be sure your funds, the website is not, you are not going to wake up tomorrow and you find the website is closed. So these are decentralized projects. The developers will make some money from what we do. The pool is getting money from the networkers, and the networkers, when they network, they are also making money. So in simple terms, this is what happens. So first of all, you are actually paid directly to your wallet. So once you work here, these tokens you claim here, like you can see, when I joined and I was not referring anybody, I didn't have any referral, I was actually claiming 0.2 core every 24 hours. But as soon as you start bringing people, you bring in one person, two people, you now stop earning 0.2 core, you start earning more. So when the system recognizes any activity that you have done, it's going to start rewarding you more core on a daily basis. Like you can see in my case, I've referred how many people here? I've referred 73 people, as you can see on the partners app here. What I'm able to claim on a daily basis as of now is 7.9 core. Okay, that's what I'm able to claim on a daily basis, and you can see the countdown has ended. So you claim every 24 hours. So let me claim this. So, and everything here is on chain. So once I claim, I'm going to be claiming like this, and it goes to the wallet directly. Okay, it goes to the wallet immediately. This 7.9, I want us to see this live. Okay, so you're going to see it is going to be showing me the 24 hours countdown. I'm going to come and claim 7.9 core again. All right, so actually this is a big deal. If you are able to do a few referrals, you are able to claim more core, and if you decide to keep this core, I'll show you how much you can actually make out of this particular project. Okay, so first of all, that is how we make money. You make money by claiming every 24 hours, and everyone, whether you have brought in people or you have not, you are claiming a portion of your core every day. If you have not brought anybody, you are going to be claiming 0.2, which is really a small amount. But if you consider bringing some people into the business, you are going to start earning more core. For those people who have been wanting to grow their network, but they don't know how they can actually refer other people into their business, I'm going to probably doing a video guiding you how you can do this very easily. It's not complicated. Many people think it's very complicated referring other people, and there are so many people we can refer. Just don't limit yourself to your family members and friends only. Sometimes your friends can decide not to join the business. You can get strangers to join the business, and you boom. Okay, so that is the first way of earning. You earn through the pool by claiming every 24 hours, provided you have registered. Okay, so make sure for those who have joined every 24 hours, come to this claim rewards pool, you claim every 24 hours. Okay, that's number one. Number two, if you are able to refer people, you will get your link down here. Copy this link, send to them, then send them this video. It will do the explanation for you. And by the way, for those who have joined and those who are joining now, get to our Telegram channel. There is a video I did explaining everything yesterday, but it was pulled down by YouTube. You can also watch it. It can actually show you the bigger picture of this particular business. So you share them the video of this particular project, then you share them the link. They are going to get started under you, and you're going to start moving. So another thing you need to note, you are paid directly to your wallet. So once you bring in someone, you're going to be seeing, let me actually show you what I've been earning from yesterday, because we started this project yesterday. I've withdrawn, I've already cashed out more than $100, and you can see I still have like 1,060 core sitting here in my wallet. And we are only 1 day old in this particular project. And what I told you is, we are working so hard in this particular project because the project is new. We want to kickstart the momentum. By the time it's getting to 100,000 people, we will have collected a lot of core. And we said, you do not eat everything. So eat 50% from whatever you make. Keep 50% because this coin is going to grow in value. And once it grows in value, we do not want to see any person regretting that they will have kept some of their tokens. So if I click on core, I'm going to, so like you can see the 7.9 core, which I've claimed right now, it has already indicated here. So every person you bring in, you earn some amount of core. Like you can see, there is a way the system is designed. For some people, it will pay you 20 core. For some people, it will pay you 20 core. So can you imagine when someone joins in with 60 core, you earn 20 core. Some people, it can pay you 40 core. So you can actually see from yesterday, if I allow it to load, all these are payments from yesterday. Okay, so you can see, and these miners you see here, 6.5 core. These are people who were needing core, and I was actually sending them. So I earned this core, and I was actually sending some of this core to those who needed. So you can see this plus. These are people joining, and the commissions are coming in. So 20 core, 20 core, 20 core, 20 core. There is 40, 40, 20, 20, 20, 40, 40. And you remember yesterday I had told you when you join the business, the first person you bring in, you are going to be earning 20 core. Initially, it was actually about 21 core, but I noticed it is 20.14 core. Okay, so the second person you will earn 20 core. All right, the third person you will earn 20 core. The fourth person you will earn 40 core. Like you can see, there is some 40 here. The 50 person you bring in 40 core. The 60 person 20. So for every 6 people you bring in, 4 people will pay you 20 core each, and 2 people will pay you 40. All right, 40 each. So 2 people will pay you 40. So that is 80. And then the 4 people will pay you 20 each. So that is 80 plus 80. So you will earn about 160 core for every 6 people you bring in. But you're going to notice one thing, and I said this to some people yesterday, and I'm going to be explaining this more in the next video. Once you you join and you are in level 1, okay, there is something called level 1 in X3 and level 1 in X6. So there is something called L1 here and L2. So at some point, once you recycle 2 times, you need to upgrade your L1 to L2. Like currently, I am in level 2. I've not gotten to level 3. I've been able to earn more than, you can see already, currently I have $138 here. I've already cashed out more than $100. And I'm still in level 2, actually, level 2. So the total amount of money I've spent upgrading to level 2 is just $16, okay? Because upgrading from level 1 to level 2, you will need to spend 60 core for X3, and also I spent 60 core for level 6, X6 I mean, X6 level 2. I upgraded this with 60 core and this other with 60 core. So that's about $16. So with that $16, I've been able to make more than $300 and I'm still making money. I'm still bringing people. I'm just getting started. And what I'm going to be doing is my biggest work now is trying to help those people in my team who want to grow their network but they are not able to. I'll be giving them tips on how they are going to do that, because I want everyone who wants to succeed in this particular project to succeed. And I want you to mark this day. There are people in the next 1 year who will be totally different financially from this particular project, because I'm seeing a lot of potential. The project is sustainable, the project is decentralized, the project is paying, and that is what people want. So as much as we are keeping airdrops, sometimes airdrops can really frustrate in terms of time. They can waste a lot of time. So when you get an opportunity like this, if you are able to run with it, if you are able to, please run with it, because you never know where your success is going to come from. Some people might succeed through airdrops. Some people might actually succeed through a project like this. So I want you to stay tuned in the next video, because I'm going to be explaining now these levels, how you earn, okay? How you need to upgrade and why you need to upgrade and how much money you can make. But bottom line, join this business, refer people, you will start seeing core coming from left, right, and center. And then as you accumulate this core, do not eat everything. Do not eat everything, guys.